on the video.
Where are we going, Matt?
Go to the beach. Yes.
Ito na yung aming sundo. So far, siya lang ang late sa aming travel. Lahat laging on timing. Ito lang ang late. Sobrang init na yan. Can you give us a tour of the room? You show us the room. Okay.
Mommy, turn on this light.
We have 2 beds. And 1 sofa bed. And TV. Hi guys, 3:40 na mag-umpisa na kami ng adventure. Nag-drive na kami papunta ng beach. Asan ang motor mo, Marian? Max.
Go to the? Okay. Agad.
Kami sa Tien. Nabili na ang tubig. Wait, let me fix it. Nakabidyo yan.
Yay!
Uy! Wait, Mommy fix.
Mommy, I'm swimming. Hi. Wave your hands. Hi.
Hi guys, tapos na kami sa Tien Beach and we're on our way home. I mean back to the hotel and then we're just gonna shower, rest up and then mag-explore kami dito sa labas sa Holland. See you later. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We are back in our room. So nag-shower lang ngayon si Dino at saka si Mat, then I'm next, and then si Marian. And then we're gonna rest for a while, and then we'll go out also. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan pupunta, but we'll definitely go out. That's all. Hey guys, we're off to dinner. It's early dinner because it's only 7. Early dinner para maaga kayo makatulog and ma-enjoy bukas ng activity. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Bahala na si babe. So, see you guys later. Dito kami magdi-dinner. Liang Long. Napakalapit lang sa Easter namin. 3 minutes lang. Nice spot. Ang bilis nila mag-search. Pinapitit. Apat. Where's the dog? Eh? Okay. Tapos ako mag-dinner and we're heading home. Busog na, busog. Bye.
7-Eleven.
Bye.